Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making slime. Just give me 1 second. I do have allergies right now, so you might hear me cough here and then. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe this video and turn on my post notifications to be in the A squad. That is all down below. So today I will be making slime, and first you'll need some glue. Open the glue and pour in however much slime you want. So pour that in. And so that's however much slime you want. These next 3 items are optional. This is soap. I use soap, but you can use soap or lotion. I just want to make sure that's really stretchy. This soap is blue, so it will add a little color. As you can tell, it's already forming its thickness, but so you just want to add however much you want. And then shaving cream is also, like I said, optional. And put however much you want. And this will make it fluffy and bigger. I'm gonna make this like a blue color. So, and also this food coloring is optional. I'm just gonna add 2 drops and see what color it turns. Next is the activator. So I am doing the contact solution activator. What you do for this activator is put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix that up, and then put the contact solution in. And there's also 2 other activators. There's laundry detergent, which you just add like Tide or Downy or Gain or something like that, and then it forms. Or there is the borax activator, which you put 1 teaspoon of borax in hot water. Put the water in a little container and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then put it in your slime slowly and mix. So I just tested a little piece, and guys, this is really stretchy. I have a feeling this is going to be a really good slime. So let's just mix the actual big piece of the slime. It's starting to come off the walls a little bit, but it's not ready at all. It might look ready, but it's not going to be ready. Until it actually starts to come off, it might be a little sticky, but you can try touching it. Like if it comes off this like this, if you go like this once, it will come off, it's ready to touch. I touch mine early, but you guys don't have to do that. See, you can tell it's sticky, but it's pretty ready. See? Now, when you get into it, it's like, oh, never mind. I'm going to go back to the spatula. Oh. Never mind, because it's not even staying on the spatula. So I'm just going to put some activator on there. And mix it all around. Bye! Sorry, my mom's leaving. So you can tell it's partly ready. Here is just a chunk of it. It's pretty sticky. You just want to put the activator at the bottom so it can really mix in at the bottom, because the bottom's always hard to mix. So here is my slime. This is my other slime I did. Not really sure where to put it right now, so I'm just in the bowl. Well, I don't want to. Okay. Okay. So here is the slime. Hold on. Let me just get it so you can see the slime. Okay. it is a little sticky. But that is okay. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really sorry that I was sick and kind of talking over the slime a little bit, but the slime is just so good, and I'm sorry that my allergies are popping up. There's just a lot of the you know, the white stuff that looks like snow outside. Yeah, there's a lot of that. So my allergies are just going crazy. But I'm sorry, and I hope you forgive me. Like I said in the beginning of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and turn on my post notifications, because that is really important, so you can be in the A squad. See you guys later. Peace.